Hello dear students, in last lecture exercise 2.1 question number 1 is completed, scatter diagram method is completed. Now next in question number 2, a company manufactures aeroplane for factories. The information about the advertisement cost for itself and the profit from the sale of aeroplane is given below. Okay, advertisement cost and profit. The information is given after table paragraph. Draw a scatter diagram. Highlight words. Draw a scatter diagram. From this information and state the nature of the relationship between the advertisement cost and profit earned from a sale of aeroplane. Okay, so first of all, in graph book, x-axis and y-axis draw it. X plus y plus. Okay, advertisement cost is denoted by variable x. So minimum value is 5 and maximum 11. So under the 1 centimeter, GK line draw it. So 4 to 11, continue. 1 centimeter is equal to 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Write down advertisement cost. And profit is denoted by variable y. So minimum value is 7 and maximum 30. So same under the 1 centimeter GK line draw it. So in first centimeter 6. Next 1 centimeter is equal to 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30. Profit denoted in y-axis. Okay. Now next, in spare 5, 8. Advertisement cost is 5 and profit is 8. So 5, 8. Our first step. Okay, done. Now next square 6, 7. Value variable x is 6, y is 7. Next 7, 9. Okay, 7 and 9. Third square. Next 8, 10. Next 9, 30. Next 10, 12. And last 11, 13. Okay, so first and last point scale writer. So near to line, okay, all points, not a single line but near to line and upward direction, left to right. So which type of correlation? So parts of positive correlation between advertisement cost and its profit. Okay, parts of positive correlation between advertisement cost and its profit. Here scale right now. equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 1, bracket write down, and y-axis is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 1 in bracket 10. Okay, here write down 10,000 rupees in bracket and here left. Okay, we type the parts of positive correlation, upward direction left to right. We have completed for question number 2. Next, last question for this exercise. Question number 3. The following information is collected to study the relationship between the minimum day temperature and sale of woolen clothes during a particular day of winter for 6 different cities. Okay, 6 different cities related minimum temperature and sale of woolen clothes is given, means value of variable x and y. 2 variables is given. Draw a scatter diagram. Highlight words. Draw a scatter diagram from this information and interpret it. So now first of all, drawing graph paper, x-axis and y-axis draw it. X dash, y dash. So minimum value in x column 8 and maximum 24. So 1 centimeter is equal to 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24. Okay? In y-axis, minimum value is 8 and maximum 7. Okay. So 1 centimeter is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. Okay. In x-axis write down minimum day temperature. Okay. And y-axis denoted by sale of woolen clothes. Okay. Now spare all the points noted in graph. 1235 in x-axis 12 and y-axis 35. 35 and 12. So first point what here 12 35. Next square 20 10. Okay, 20 and here 10. Second point 20, 10. Now next 845. 8 a value variable by 45. third point plotted here. 845. Next 570. 4 and 6 between central line means after 4 5 small box. Okay, so 570. X-axis 5, Y-axis 7. Next one 15 20. Okay, 15 14 and 16 between 15 and 20 20. Next one 24 8. Okay, 24 and here 8 means after 5. Okay, total 6 box, small box 6. यदि आपका 5 कॉलम ग्राफ है तो आफ्टर 3 बॉक्स. Okay, check it. All point, not a single line, but near to line, and downward direction, left to right. Okay, the type of all point, not a single line, but near to line, and downward direction, left to right. It means this type of correlation. So partial negative correlation between minimum day temperature and cell of glucose. This type of correlation. Partial negative correlation between two variables. So you have completed exercise 2.1. Okay, next. Write in your classwork. Your same to same scale also write down x-axis and y-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 2 and 1 centimeter is equal to 5. Okay, proper scale write down. Classwork write down list of formula. List of formula, mainly two formula called Pearson. It means product movement method. And second, Charles Spearman rank correlation method formula. Okay, main two formula. Carl Pearson method formula. It is also called product movement method. And Charles Spearman means rank correlation formula. The list of formula for studying Carl Pearson method. Product movement method. Okay. Carl Pearson product movement method. Carl Pearson product movement method. Anyone method is in this one. So under this method, number 1 heading write down. First, write the heading. When the value of x bar and y bar both are integer, when the value of x bar and y bar both are integer. Integer means 2, 10, 20, 25, 10, 10, ઓકે this decimal point માં આન્સર હોય બધાને શું કહે integer. So x bar and y bar both are integers. So using first formula r is equal to sigma in bracket x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by in first root sigma in bracket x minus x bar whole square into another root sigma y minus y bar whole square. First formula for the calculation product moment. Number 2, heading write down when the value of x bar or y bar or x bar and y bar both are decimal. Both are decimal. It means only for value of x bar decimal or y bar or both are decimal. So using second formula r is equal to n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y divided by in first root n sigma x square minus sigma x whole square into another root n sigma y square minus sigma y whole square. Now next, third formula. When the value of x or y or x and y are above 100. Okay, repeat. When the value of x or y or x and y above 100, it means only value of variable x above 100 or y or both are above 100. So use the third formula. In bracket write down shortcut method. It is also called shortcut method. Write down formula. R is equal to n sigma uv minus sigma u into sigma v divided by in first root n sigma u square minus sigma u whole square into another root n sigma v square minus sigma v whole square. You write down where u is equal to x minus a divided by cx and v is equal to y minus b divided by cy. A and b means assume value of x and assume value of y. Cx and cy, okay, they are decimal values, okay. Sum આવશે વધારે ખ્યાલ આવશે તમને કે cx and cy એટલે રીતે ડિસાઈડ થાય કે ફાઇનલ કોઈ પર્ટિક્યુલર ટેબલ ના વેલ્યુઝ હોય, ઓકે. ત્યારે sec sensitive હોય સમ ઓફ ને વધારે ખ્યાલ આવશે કે u and v કેવી રીતે. નેક્સ્ટ નંબર 4. Write down heading. Covariance is given. Covariance is given. So covariance is given. R is equal to covariance xy divided by sx into sy. Covariance, relation between variable x and y, multiplication. Sx into sy. Sx means standard division of x multiply by standard division of y. Another word, formula, sxy divided by sx into sy. Okay, sxy means denoted by covariance. Xy is also called sxy. Next, or another formula, covariance xy divided by standard division of x into standard division of y. Okay, covariance xy divided by sx into sy, sxy divided by sx into sy, or covariance xy divided by standard division of x into standard division of y. Now next formula, number 5. Covariance is not given. Covariance is not given. Under this heading, two sub formula is given. Number 1, R is equal to sigma in bracket x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by n into sx into sy. Okay, so first formula is sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by n into sx into sy. And second formula, number 2, R is equal to sigma xy n x bar y bar divided by n into sx into sy. Sigma into x into y, sigma xy. Sigma means number of observation, means n, x bar into y bar. Clear? The first formula je eman second formula create thi. Sigma into x into y, sigma xy. Sigma means number of observation and x bar y bar. Divide as it is said. Now next, number 6. Find the covariance. Okay, covariance find out करवानी formula right now. Find the covariance. So covariance xy is equal to, both formula used in here, sigma in bracket x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by only for n is called covariance. Or another formula, second, sigma xy minus n x bar y bar divided by n is called covariance formula. Okay, now next, find the standard division of x. Next formula, find the standard division of x, is also called by sx. Okay, standard division of x. is equal to in root sigma in bracket x minus x bar whole square divided by n for the first formula, or another words in root sigma into x square. So sigma x square divided by n minus x bar whole square. Okay, x bar whole square. Or another formula sigma x square divided by n minus x bar means sum of observation divided by number of observation. Sigma x by n whole square. Sigma x by n whole square. Okay. Question માં જે related બરાબર information ગયો ને any one formula use કરવાનો છે. 1 2 or 3 any one. Clear? Now next, find the standard deviation of y. Find the standard deviation of y. Write down. Standard deviation of y is denoted by SY. In first formula, same to same formula, x in place for y change कर देना. Sigma in bracket y minus y bar whole square divided by n, or another formula in root sigma y square by n minus in bracket y bar whole square, or another formula sigma y square divided by n minus in bracket sigma y by n whole square. So here Carl-Pearson product moment formula is completed. Now next in Charles-Spearman formula. Spearman rank correlation method. Under this heading, two formula is next continuing numbers. Number 9, write down when the observations are not repeated. Heading, write down number 9. When the observation is not repeated. Write the formula. R is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n in bracket n square minus 1. Okay, sum of observation is not repeated. First formula. Number 2, second. Next continuing number 10. When some of the observation are repeated. When some of the observations are repeated. So write the formula. R is equal to 1 minus 6 into bracket sigma d square plus CF divided by n in bracket n square minus 1. Okay, when some of the observations are repeated, so using next second formula, 1 minus 6 in bracket sigma d square plus cf divided by n in bracket n square minus 1. Clear? After formula write down where d means rx minus ry. D, difference find out rank of x minus rank of y. First variable rank plus second variable rank. Difference find out rank of x minus rank of y. Okay, next CF factor. CF means correction factor. And correction factors find out m cube minus m divided by 12. CF means correction factor. Find out m cube minus m divided by 12. And write down m is equal to number of time an observation is repeated. Number of time observation and repeated. M means number of time observation and repeated. So you have completed all the formula for this chapter. Okay, next some theoretical points. Assumption of Karl-Pearson method. Okay, assumption. Without assumption, not possible for find the correlation between two variables. So mainly two of assumption is given in Karl-Pearson method. Okay, already આપણે cause and effect માં study કરી. બરાબર છે, same here assumption is Karl-Pearson method. First assumption, there is a linear relationship between two variables. Okay, linear relationship. Okay, कोई भी relation છે two variable between. First assumption, linear relation between two variables. Highlight words linear relationship. And second assumption, there is cause-effect relationship between two variables. Underline cause-effect relationship between two variables. Okay, two assumption. First is a linear relationship between two variables, and second cause-effect relationship between two variables. Okay, only for two assumption of Karl-Pearson method. Short question and marks. Now next, most important theoretical point, properties of correlation coefficient. Maximum time board question paper માં short question and MCQ અહીંયાથી compulsory હોય. short question અને MCQ બરાબર છે. properties બરાબર. So first property, the value of correlation coefficient lies in interval -1 to 1. -1 to 1. तो ये formula write करके बताना आंसर आ correlation coefficient is always -1 to +1 between it of minimum -1 and maximum 1. तो अब ये between आंसर है तो तुम्हारा right आंसर minimum -1 maximum 1 and the below के above दे तो हमें क्या very mistake करेंगे क्वेश्चन में क्या बराबर है. तो minimum आंसर -1 maximum 1 lie between correlation coefficient lie between -1 to +1 between. It is symbolically denoted by -1 less than or equal to r less than or equal to 1. Short question MCQ માં આવી ગઈ છે. Symbolically denoted by, so -1 less than or equal to r less than or equal to 1. All equal to means both the limits are involved. -1 and 1 both are included. Clear? Second property, the correlation coefficient is free from unit of measurement. Free from unit of measurement. It is most important. Okay, free from unit of measurement. Correlation coefficient is free from unit, not depending. Okay, first, second, fourth one, not depending. Free from unit of measurement. એટલે કે આન્સર હોય જેમાં આપણે કંઈ રાઈટ નહીં કરીએ કે ઓકે કેજી લીટર મીટર ટન ક્વિન્ટલ ડઝન પીસ કોઈ વસ્તુ રાઈટ નહીં કરી. ઓકે, it is free from the unit. Second point. Next, third point, the correlation coefficient between variable x and y it's same as a value of variable y and x. Okay, both are equal. Rxy or Ryx, both are same. Y on x and x on y, correlation coefficient are equal in both the method. Variable x and y and same as on between y and x are equal. Number 4, the correlation coefficient, most important for MCQ short question. The correlation coefficient does not change with the change of origin and scale. Origin and scale it does not change. We have a third formula write करेंगे. Cal Pearson method, product moment method, mass shortcut method. Answer is does not change. Any method used, answer is always same. એટલા માટે અહીંયા કીધું છે the correlation coefficient does not change in origin and scale. એમાં કઈ બી મેઝરમેન્ટ માં તમે ડિવાઇડ કરો, લેસ કરો, મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો, બરાબર એડિશન કરો, answer is not change. Always same. Any method used, answer is always same. First, second or third. Any one formula is answer always same. Number 5, R is equal to minus xy means minus r xy. R in bracket x in comma minus y is equal to minus r xy, and third minus x minus y is always r xy. So if the sign of any one variable are changed, correlation coefficient is also changed. Check it. Any one variable, single variable sign is changed. Here variable x sign is changed, so variable correlation coefficient also changed. In second, variable y sign is changed, correlation coefficient also changed. If both the variable sign is changed, minus minus, the correlation coefficient is also changed. Plus minus minus. So here given if the sign of any two variable x and y is changed, the sign of correlation coefficient is also changed. So here minus minus the coefficient correlation is also changed. But both the variable sign is changed, correlation coefficient does not change. It can change on the minus minus, so plus. Clear? We have all 5 properties. First, correlation coefficient lie between -1 to +1. Second point, correlation coefficient is free from the measure. Third, the correlation coefficient x and y same as to y on s. Fourth, correlation coefficient does not change in ordinate scale. Number 5, if any one variable sign is changed, correlation coefficient is also changed. And if both the variable sign change, correlation coefficient does not change. So here completed for properties for correlation coefficient method. Now next, interpretation of the value of correlation coefficient. Generally जो हमने scatter diagram method mind में set हो, तो interpretation of correlation coefficient easily write कर सकते. So first हम study करेंगे mainly 2 types of correlation, positive and negative. Then after positive, 2 subpart. First perfect positive, partial positive. Negative under the 2 subpart. Perfect negative correlation, second partial negative correlation, and then after last point, lack of correlation, not a proper pattern. Okay, so here interpretation of the correlation value, the mainly 3 values are given. R is equal to 1, second R is equal to -1, and third R is equal to 0. Sometimes board examination 2 marks, right? 2 marks now board examination and 2.3 marks now all 3 points are right? So R is equal to 1. 1 means perfect positive correlation. Perfect positive क्या possible है? All points plotted in a single line in upward direction, left to right. It is called perfect positive correlation. Okay, same in illustration number 1. Now second, R is equal to -1 in perfect negative correlation between two variables in downward direction left to right. It is called perfect negative. See in illustration number 2. And third, R is equal to 0 means lack of correlation between two variables, not a proper pattern. It's called lack of correlation. Clear? So first, if R is equal to 1 positive, then we can say that there is a perfect positive correlation between two variables. जब मैं बात करिए R is equal to 1, then we can say that perfect positive. Okay, all the points plotted in a single line. So perfect positive correlation between two variables. When increase in bracket decrease in the value of one variable result in increase or decrease in the value of other variable in constant proportion, then the value of R is 1. Means in first variable value is increased, so another variable is also increased. First variable value is decreased, so second variable is also decreased in a constant proportion. Any more example मैं तुमने यहाँ पे दो price and demand. Price is 2 rupees, demand is 50, 3, 40, 4, 30. Okay, so constant proportion in units is increase or decrease. Clear? For such variable, we get all points on the same straight line in increasing direction. In an upward direction, left to right, mean increasing direction in a scatter diagram. See illustration 1. जब illustration 1 में बात करते हैं एक वस्तु यहाँ R is equal to 1 means perfect positive correlation. Okay. Now next, in interpretation of R is equal to -1, same to same words. If R is equal to -1, then we can say that perfect negative correlation between two variables. So one variable result in increase or decrease in another variable opposite direction, decrease or increase. यहाँ words में change करेगा. Words बोले one variable increase in bracket decrease, then the other variable opposite direction decrease in bracket increase. So first variable increase, second variable decrease. First variable decrease, another variable increase in a constant proportion. Then value of R is equal to -1. We get all the point in a straight line in downward direction. Okay, downward direction left to right. See in illustration number 2. And last, R is equal to 0. Then we can say that no linear correlation between two variables. Okay, no linear correlation. कोई relation अंदर नहीं बात कर रहे. It means in other words, R is equal to 0. So absence of correlation. Absence of correlation. Hence two variables are said to linearly unconnected. For such variable, we get randomly scatter diagram point, not or around in any in the scatter diagram. यहाँ पे बात करें हम group. Not a proper form. Okay, absence of correlation. It is called lack of correlation, or another words, absence of correlation between two variables. It is called R is equal to 0. So, we are completed for the interpretation of correlation value.